Hey, what's up, guys? I hope all of you doing well. So, welcome back to the weekly episode of free watch faces for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So, today in this video, I will show you again some free watch faces that you guys can try out on your Galaxy Watch. Starting off with this first watch face, this watch face is available with the name of WTW291L9. So, this is the analog watch face with all these dials, which has the battery percentage, your date, and the step counter goal. On the top, it also has this heart rate monitor and the step counter. You can also further customize it. You can add different shortcuts in these three dials. You cannot customize the color or the design of the watch face, but the original design is really good with this watch face. If you talk about the always on display mode, so this is how the watch face will look like in the always on display mode. So check it out, the link is available in the description. Now let's move on to the next watch face. This watch face is available with the name of whiteboard. So if you are a physics student or if you like physics, so this watch face is for you, as it has this physics equations available in this watch face. Also it has some digital time, your battery percentage, your date, your step counter, also available right into the watch face. You can also further customize this watch face by long pressing in the center, then tapping on customize. In the customization, there are multiple color options available with this watch face. Also, there are multiple battery icon options also available. You can choose the one that you like the most, and in the end, you can add some shortcuts to the watch face for the applications that you use the most. And for the always on display mode, this is how the watch face will look like in the always on display mode. So check it out, the link is also available for this one in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the last watch face of today's video. This watch face is available with the name of compasstrek. So this one has this digital design with this compass style, as you guys can see. If you want a compass always on your wrist, so this watch face is for you. If you talk about the further customization, you can long press in the center, then tap on customize. There are multiple color options available with this watch face, but my favorite is the first one. You can choose the one that you like the most. And if you talk about the further information available in this watch face, so it has this calories burned and the step counter and the heart rate. And this is how the watch face will look like in the always on display mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out these watch faces available for free. The link is available in the description, and let me know your favorite one in the comment section below. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.